In this question, we're asked to find which of these graphs has a line that is perpendicular to the line y equals 4/3 x minus 4. The key to this question is knowing that the slope of a line perpendicular to another line is equal to the negative reciprocal of the slope of the other line. Well, let's take a look at the line here, y equals 4/3 x minus 4. This is the equation of a line in y equals mx plus b form, where 4/3 is the slope m and negative 4 is the y-intercept b. What we're interested in is the slope. So slope m is equal to 4/3, so the slope of a line perpendicular to it would be negative 3/4. What we have to do is just swap the values here and change the sign. So to answer the question, we just have to find out which of these lines here has a slope of negative 3/4. Now, one of the things we know about negative slopes here is that they always go down to the right. So it looks like either C here or B are possibilities. A and D go up to the right. They have positive slope. Therefore, we know right away that A and D are not possible answers. So let's look at line C and line B, find their slopes, and see if they equal negative 3/4. So we know that slope is also equal to the rise over the run. So if you look at the slope of line C, we can see that if we went from, say, this point here to this point here, we would have a rise of down 1, 2, 3, 4, and a run of positive 1, 2, 3. So that would be down 4 and over 3. Comparing these two values, we see that they're not the same. Therefore, C does not represent the line that is perpendicular to 4/3 x minus 4. So it looks like B is going to be our answer, but let's double check to make sure. So let's take a look at the rise and the run between this point here and this point here. We can see that we're going to be going down 1, 2, 3, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4. So our slope in this case for D would be down 3 and over 4. And if we compare these two values, we see that they are the same. Therefore, we know that line B is the graph of a line that is perpendicular to the line y equals 4/3 x minus 4. Now, if you wanted to double check, what we can do is graph the line y equals 4/3 x minus 4 on this axis and see if these lines actually look perpendicular. Well, remember up here we've got the slope of 4/3 and the y-intercept of negative 4. So we can start by plotting the y-intercept of negative 4, and then it means go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 3, 1, 2, 3. And we put our point there, and if we draw a line through these 2 points, we can see that, yeah, it looks pretty much perpendicular to that line. So we know again that B is the right answer.